Battery energy storage systems, or BESS containers, are becoming increasingly common across energy, utility, and industrial projects. When these systems need to be installed or relocated, the default approach is usually a crane. BESS containers are often large, heavy, and packed with high-value equipment. Cranes can lift them quickly and are widely available on many project sites. However, relying on cranes for lifting BESS units often means having to accept delays, dependence on external contractors, high recurring costs, and having to plan and schedule each lift well in advance, which can be extremely inefficient. Furthermore, at temporary or remote sites where cranes aren't readily available, moving even a single BESS container with a crane can quickly become a very costly exercise, and sometimes it's not possible at all. An alternative are portable container lifts. These systems are designed to lift ISO containers directly from their corner castings without relying on cranes or fixed lifting infrastructure. The process is straightforward. 4 container lifts attach to the container's corner castings. The lifts then raise the container in a synchronized lift. Depending on the system being used, a single operator can complete the transfer in as little as 10 minutes. Bison manufactures a range of portable container lifts with capacities from 10,000 to 64,000 kilograms, or 22,000 to 141,000 pounds, suitable for standard ISO containers and many containerized energy storage systems. Whether you're deploying BESS containers at substations, renewable energy projects, industrial facilities, or remote sites, portable container lifts provide a highly efficient and safe option for handling these assets. Explore our full range of container lifts at bison-jacks.com.